Good morning all of you. I Razia Karan from Gnananj Vidya Kids Channel. So students, today we'll start unit number 2. In that unit we'll start worksheet number 7. Division large number. So in that, here is one example. Solve 1677 divided by 30. So we have to follow some step. Now identify divisor and divided. डिवाइजर टाइप मीन्स डिवाइड करना है वो एंड जिससे डिवाइजर दैट मीन्स हम जिससे डिवाइड करना है वो और डिवाइडर दैट मीन्स 1677 दैट मीन्स राइट द डिवाइडेड इनसाइड द डिवाइडेड नंबर्स जो है वो हम इनसाइड लिखेंगे एंड डिविजन नंबर है वो हम आउटसाइड लिखेंगे. So in that, after that we have to find the starting number of the divided. Starting number, the divided number starting number is a 1 and 2 number will take. So here is a next number is a 16. Next number is a 16. थर्टीन एज अ 2 डिजिट वी काउंट 2 डिजिट फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट. हम लोग 13 2 डिजिट है, सो हम 2 डिजिट को ही काउंट करेंगे लेफ्ट साइड से. 1 and 6, so 16 is a starting number. 16 is a starting number. 16 is a greater than 13, so can start division. Okay, so in that now we'll take divide the starting number by divisor. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26. 26 is not in the table of 13, so 13 ones are 30. 6 minus 3, 6 on your finger. 1 2 3 4 5 6, cut 3. 1 2 3, so remaining numbers are 1 2 and 3, so we have to write here 3. 1 minus 1, 0 is it. Then we'll bringing down 7, so next number is a 37. 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39. 39 is a bigger number than 37, so we'll take the 32s are 26. 7 minus 6, 1. 3 minus 3, 3 minus 2, 1. Now 11 is a smaller number than 30, so we'll bringing down 7. 13 nines are 117. 7 minus 7, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So answer is 129. So 167 divided by 30 is equal to 129. Now students, I'll give you one list. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet. Now we'll start unit number 2nd, worksheet number 3rd, subject maths. Question number first. Solve the following. solve the following. First one sum is 8,652 divided by 40. So here we have to write 8,652 divided by 40. Now we'll take the 2-digit number here. 14 6 are 84. 6 minus 4, 6 on your finger. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Cut 4, 1 2 3 and 4. So remaining numbers are 1 and 2. So we have to write here 2. 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8, 0 is there. Now we'll bringing down here 5. Next number is a 25. 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. 14 ones are 14. So here we have to write 14. 5 minus 4. 5 on your finger. Cut 4. 1 2 3 4. Remaining number is a 1. So we have to write here 1. 2 minus 1. 2 on your finger. Cut 1. So remaining number is a 1. We have to write here 1. Then we'll bringing down here 2. 14 8s are 112. 2 minus 2 0. 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 1 0. So answer is equal to 8,652 divided by 14 is equal to 680. Quotient is equal to 80. Now students, I'll give you 1 week, so you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. B1 sum is 5,200 divided by 16. 16 3s are 48. 2 minus 8 is not possible. Cut 5. We have to write here 4. Cut 2. Write here 12. 12 minus 8. 12 on your finger. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Cut 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So remaining number is 1 2 3 and 4. So we have to write here 4. 4 minus 4. 4 on your finger. Cut 4. 1 2 3 4. Remaining number is 0. Now we'll bringing down here 0. 16 2s are 32. We have to cut 3. Cut 4. Write there 3. Cut 0. Write there 10. 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2. 10 on your finger. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Cut 2. 1 and 2. Remaining number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we have to write here 8. 3 minus 3 0. Again we have to bringing down here 0. 18 5s are 16 5s are 80. 8 minus 8 0. 0 minus 0 0. 8 minus 8 0. So here answer is equal to 5200 divided by 16 is equal to 325. Quotient is equal to 325. Nice. Now students, I will give you a 1 minute, so you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start second portion. Now student, will start portion number second. Solve the following in your notebook. So that to solve the following, you have to write this all the sums in your notebook. सेकेंड नंबर का जो क्वेश्चन है वो आप आपकी नोटबुक में सॉल्व करोगे, बिकॉज ऑफ देयर इज़ नो एनी प्लेस. नाउ फर्स्ट वन क्वेश्चन इज 9376 डिवाइड बाय 60. So we have to write here 9376 divided by 16. 16 5s are 80 is there. So we have to write here 16 5s are 18. 3 minus 0 3. 9 minus 8, 9 on your finger, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, cut 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, remain number is a 1. So we have to write here 1. Then we'll bringing down 7 here, we'll bringing down 7. 16 8s are 128 is there, 128 is there. Now 7 minus 8 is not possible. We'll cut 3, write there 2, cut 8, 7, write there 17. 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. We'll cut 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So remaining number is a 1, 2, 3, 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we have to write here 9. 2 minus 2, 2 on your finger, cut 2, 1 and 2, remain number is a 0. 1 minus 1, 1 on your finger, cut 1, so remain number is a 0. We will bringing down now 6. We will bringing down 6. Next number is a 96. 16 6 are 96. 16 6 are 90. 6 is there. 6 minus 6 0. 9 minus 9 0. So here answer is equal to 9376 divided by 16 is equal to 586. Quotient is equal to 586. Now students, I will give you 1 minute, so you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum, second one sum. B1 sum. That question is 8,816 divided by 16. So we'll start the sum. Sixteen fives are 80. 16 fives are 80. 8 minus 0, 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Now we'll bringing down here 1. Again 18 fives are 16 fives are 18. 8 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 1. 8 minus 8, 0. Now we'll bringing down 6. 16 ones are 16. 16 ones are 16. So here answer is equal to 8,816 divided by 16 is equal to 5,551. Question is equal to 551. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay, I hope so students your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. Now C1 sum 1,885 divided by 30. So in that 1,885 divided by 13. 13 ones are, here is a 18 is a smaller number, bigger number than 18. We'll take the two digit number. So 18 twos are 26. 18 ones are 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. So 26 is a bigger number than 18. 13 ones are 13. We have to write here 13. 8 minus 3. 8 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cut 3. 1, 2 and 3. So remaining number is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have to write here 5. 1 minus 1, 0. We'll bringing down here 8. So 13 fours are 52. 13 fours are 52. 8 minus 2. 8 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cut to 1 and 2. So remaining number is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to write here 6. 5 minus 5, 0 is there here. Now we'll bringing down here 5. Next number is a 65. 13 fives are 13. 5s are 65. 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. So answer is equal to 1,885 divided by 30 is equal to 1,155. Question is 155. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now your homework is, you have to complete the worksheet number 2, page number 30, and those who are question number 1 is already completed. Question number 2, in that second number questions we have to complete it here. Sum number A, B and C. You have to complete sum number C, D, E and F. That 3 sums are remain. That 3 sums you have to complete it and send it to me homework before 1:30. After 1:30 we are not consider your homework. So you have to complete your homework on time and send it to me before 1:30. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.